Hi everyone, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the online video walkthrough of the 2021 Wolfpack's 27Pack10. A great versatile trailer with so many great things you can do with your family. You can see here it's got a very aerodynamic front on it, equipped with a power tongue jack. Comes with a solar panel on the roof, which does power this Group 24 battery on the trailer so that you always have power. Underneath here you've got tie downs for all of your luggage and a great big storage area, which is great under there. It's got a high gel coat fiberglass exterior with an electric awning and LED lights, a nice big awning. It's got the illuminated speakers and a place to put a TV as well as electrical outlets and everything on the side as well. And then you can see, and a place to tie your dog, I guess we always got to get that. It has electric jacks on the outside for stabilization. And then it's got these great stable steps to get in the trailer. So let's go in the trailer and check out all these great. You've got basically a bunk model trailer. So you've got your television, which is right across from your couch. You've got a fireplace, which will give you warmth. You've got some storage cabinets. You've got your stereo system, which comes complete with a subwoofer in this trailer. Then you've got this 12 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge, which again, it has a solar panel already on it. So that'll power the fridge. Beside that, you've got your glass top stove, so it gives you extra counter space when you need it. And then you've got lots of countertop space with a stainless steel undermount sink, sprayer, faucet. In toy haulers, you often don't get this kind of living space, but with this one you do. Because you also have a full-size dinette. So this dinette will go down and it will turn into a bed. You've got the couch here, which will go into a bed. Then you've got large windows, which makes it feel very, very open. And then the zebra blinds underneath them. Lighting everywhere. We got lighting on the roof, which looks great. And then the washroom, which is in the corner of the trailer here, you've got a nice large shower area with a tub. You've got your large porcelain toilet, and then a vanity and a place to hang towels. Quite a bit of room in that washroom. But what's really neat about this trailer that's different than others is in the back here. So in your bunk area, you've got these bunks, which are electric. So you can pull them down, and then you've got two double over double twin size bunk beds. So it'll easily fit adults or teenagers or kids. And then you push this button and they go up and you get access to your deck area, but that's also your ramp. So you can see all the tie downs on the floor. So you can put bikes in here, you can put kayaks in here, you can put a four-wheeler in here, you can put dirt bikes in here, because it is a full functioning toy hauler, but also a bunk model. So very, very versatile. So you can see out here on the deck, I'm out here, I can have some lawn chairs, I can have my barbecue, and then I've got my entertainment area here in the back, which is wired for a television, has a television backer and everything. So the bedroom in the front of the trailer gives you lots of space around the bed. This trailer is prepped for a generator if you did want to put one in as well. And it's got lots of storage around the bed area as well. It's got windows that open on both sides, and then storage underneath the bed too. This is all in a 27-foot toy hauler. It can be towed by most half tons, and you can get all of your toys in here. It's just the most multi-purpose trailer that we've ever seen. So this is the 2021 27Pack10, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams